Oh shit, I'm live. My bad. Guys, I found some heaters for the intro songs. I'm testing out this TikTok live thing, guys. So, how does this even work, yo? All right, can I turn the light on?
Already down bad.
Already down bad. It's kind of cool. The TikTok, you guys there? What up? What up? What up? All right. Let's see. Music good. Music too loud. Music good. On YouTube side, Christian Dior. This ain't no Christian Dior, bro. This beat is that. This beat is a Christian Dior. Let's see what we got here. So today we have ISM news at 10 a.m. 10 a.m. ISM USD news. Oof, not much going on today. Looks like it's a pretty chill day. You have, let's take a look at golden future real quick. So it's sorry if it's hell dark in my room. This is no sun today outside. This is like gloomy and dark and rainy, so there's no like lighting, natural lighting. But starting the weekly time frame on gold here. I think the gold came down to break the lows yesterday, so we're at one point bullish, right? We're expecting price to continue up bullish, but price actually rejected after closing above the range and came back down to break its current candle low again. So we broke previous candle lows. We're back in this range now. So with that being said, we're breaking a lowest high chance you have for price to really drive down today. coming down towards like the support down here, because it looks like it's like saying like this is once your support here. And now that we're breaking lows, you can anticipate that price will continue further down towards the next level of support, which is gonna be for like down here somewhere. I want to like 1880. With that being said, obviously we're bearish. 4 hours bearish. 1 hour is currently in this range here. I want to say sells for me would probably be if price were to come down and maybe break below the support here at 1893. Below there, coming down towards the next level of support, which is going to be somewhere around here. This range is a 60 pip range. Not bad at all. For price to drive down. Probably wait for a closure first, and then look for sells coming down. So that's my bias for a day. We'll hear closure. Perfect. Yeah, 60 pip range. Something very tradable. GJ in our hand. GJ looking like it is currently flipping bullish. Finally, the week candle had no top wick. This current daily current week candle when it opened up, it had no top wick. Therefore, I expected to flip bullish at some given point. Looks like we are starting to flip bullish here. The day time frame closed bullish yesterday, so I did indicate that we're going to continue up to retest the highs today, which was the onion play. This is broken down during the Asian session to the T, pretty much. The only thing we have to do today is pretty much fill the range. And if we close above today, then tomorrow should be an algo day. But I do believe today, look, we had a lot of momentum for buys today. So if you're up during Asian, London, you would anticipate a lot of buys going up to fill that range. Yeah, so I mean, 4 hours bullish here, 1 hour's bullish as well. I want to say for buys for me though would be if we were to potentially break above. Right now we're in this range. We just created this new range right here. This is your resistance on the 15-minute time frame. This is like your support on the 15 time frame. So I want to say this is the range we're in. If price were to break this, however, then we may have a high chance to continue up towards this range here. I think this range is a 16 pip range going up. I'll probably wait for a closure above, execute on buys towards the next level of resistance. Pretty simple analysis. Is this crypto or FX? This is FX. What else did I do today? What else I gotta do? Oh yeah, we got our sounds back, guys. Chat, we got our sounds back. So I forgot which ones are which though.
She's a runner, she's a track star.
We got that back.
Let's fucking go.
We got that back. We got that back. I think this is the baby one. Yeah.
Let's go.
We got a bunch of sounds going. What's this? That's that. That's that.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
So you guys know at 9 AM when you know a new group of people come.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
This is Marco's idea. He gave me it yesterday. I'm playing. And then
I ain't pray for these baguettes, I pray for better days.
that's what stop loss hits. We have a bunch of sounds that I got too, but Mr. Runner one, me too. Hopefully I can mix it well together. Andre back. What's up, Andre?
What's up, bro? Have you talked to Shift T lately?
Shifty.
We need turn me up. Like.
Oh, I told Marcos to do it.
Okay, Marcos. Let me hear
Marcos
it.
did it for us. Marcos, are you gonna scream for us? Cool. All right. Marcos, gonna scream for us today?
We got a winner, probably.
Change the font too on the text font. Everything's back to normal now. I did a lot of work for the stream yesterday, guys. I was in a corp call with Marcos and Tyler yesterday. Andre, when you hopped off yesterday, we were on for another like 4 hours. Just chilling.
Okay, putting in work. I like it.
Putting in a lot of work. And then, yeah, I think heart rate monitor is coming back next week. So. Are we back to non-cooperated? Yeah, Bycos. Yeah, where you been? Where you been, Bycos? You said if I was a mod, I would delete that in 2 seconds. Well, you were a mod. You haven't been here for a week now. What happened? Oh shoot! Sure, Hampton the juice. I thought it was Juice WRLD, bro. Holy! Look at this poster. He's actually there. Your camera is off. I'll just put it there. Yo, what up, professional Lightyear? What's up? Yeah, I was looking at the week candle all week on GJ. It was very important to realize that the week candle had no top wick this week. It was very important because at any given point we could have flipped bullish. Hence why I was looking for buys yesterday, because I anticipate that since it started to reject that support that we rejected off of, that the daytime was going to close bullish as well. So now that we have that bullish candle closure, it's a matter of fact of we're just going to retest the highs and continue up for the rest of the week. All right. With that being said, once we tap this level at like 156, it's gonna be a weekly candle flip too. Continue up, which is also a monthly candle flip as well. Again, the monthly candle close above the range. Very aggro. So I'm going to anticipate a lot of buys there, guys. Pure Hempson. W mod.
Yo, what's up?
Oh shoot, I hear an echo. Oh shoot, that's loud.
My bad. I got the stream on.
All good. Where you been? I mean, you've been on vacation.
Nah, I just got back from Seattle last week. Like, I got this little mug too. That's my new coffee mug, bruh.
How long were you there for?
I was there for like a week, I think. I went to a wedding. It was my first wedding that I ever went to. She was lit. Shit. I got pretty sauce, but yeah, I'm back now. I've been back for like a week now, I think, actually. It's been a minute.
I'm going to a wedding soon too. Right, Andre?
Okay. 2022.
You gotta pull up with a suit, bro. You gotta be all suited out. It's the only way.
Don's gonna be one of the best men. He's gonna be suited.
Hell yeah. Is it your wedding? No, you're already married. I thought.
No, I'm not officially married.
Oh, really? Oh.
Yeah.
This whole time I thought you were already married.
You know, gotta keep the wife happy.
Yeah.
Gotta say that. Just to keep the internet women away.
The female traders out here watching.
Yeah.
Crying right now.
I'm like, babe, they're not existent. Don't worry.
The 1 or 2 females in the chat are crying right now.
Yeah.
Were you gonna get married before COVID, or what happened?
We're trying to get married in Peru. That's where she's from.
Peru.
So
Okay.
yeah, trying to get everything organized there is just gonna be a thing. And since it's like a third world country, it's different with COVID. Like, no one has a vaccine. You know, there's like a lot of shanty towns where people are kind of sick, but
Oh, shit.
it's getting better for sure. It's getting better. We're figuring it out.
What does shanty mean?
Shantytown is like basically like a underdeveloped town / city that like doesn't have tons of running water, doesn't have like garbage disposal, doesn't have
Like village almost?
Yeah, kind of. I mean, it's not like, I don't know, it's depending on where you go. Some of them are like, wow, this is so underdeveloped. Some of them are okay, but like Lima, Peru is like a normal big city, like something equivalent to like a Philly or something like that.
Yeah.
Maybe not as developed, but for sure.
Interesting.
Interessante.
Sounds lit.
Interesante.
You gotta try out the white henny. It's only sold in like Latin countries.
Okay.
Yeah, you're a big drinker, TR Hansen.
This man's talking about getting sauced.
I'm just a henny drinker, bro. Like, that's all I drink. I don't drink tequila. I hate tequila. I don't drink vodka. It's just straight henny. It's the Filipino in me, bro.
Sounds like Ferrano so inspirational, man.
Don Julio's good. Don Julio's fire. That's like the only tequila I can't drink, but it's too expensive.
Yeah, I was gonna say, gotta put you onto some Clase Azul or
I
some.
need to try that. I want to ring the bell.
Nothing beats water, someone said.
Nothing beats water.
We're looking for today on gold and GJ Yonder. What are your plans?
I was actually looking to potentially get in on the close of the last 15 on gold. So a 10 pip stop loss with a like 25, 26 pip target. Stops to break even, honestly, about right now at 8 pips. There was the bearish confirmation at resistance for the big booty onion coming down. If this pushes a little bit more, maybe retraces, maybe get in on the 30, or wait for this 6 a.m. candle to close and the new 7 that hourly will close with no bottom wick, and then maybe a celery coming down. So sells on gold for sure. GJ, I'm just looking for those buys, man. I think like you said, the weekly flipping bullish with no top wick. Maybe even anticipate some runners.
Yeah.
Looks like we're getting moves on both.
Yep. Gold is a lot more promising. Oh no, sorry, GJ looks a lot more promising, but I think gold.
Then gold, yeah.
How's TikTok done?
Like three viewers on TikTok right now. First TikTok live. Guys, chat. If you guys are wondering what I'm doing, I'm literally on live. It's like off my phone right here. It's just showing the right monitor.
What do you? So you're on TikTok live on your phone?
Yeah.
How you can still enter positions on your phone or what?
I got my iPad, man.
Ah, okay.
But I'm trying to swap the two. I'm trying to use my iPad to go on live and then use my phone to trade. So I'm getting a stand next week. Now change the color. I can't on Streamlabs. I don't know. I tried it. It doesn't work. Let me try it again though. Chat box. Manage themes. It changes every day. It's so weird. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, those subs below 1893.78 are pretty clean if you get a closure. Let's look to the left, like we have never really closed below the range before. We have all came down before and just started to reject. Reject. Never closed. So I think a closure below would be ideal for us to really drive. Hopefully we get something clean. Looking left, it is clean traffic as we were breaking below that range. So preferably a closure like this would be ideal. So we could continue down. So far, a pretty good month of June so far. Not gonna lie, pretty good month. It's been a lot better than May. QV, you're walking into Zara.
Yes. That onion play on gold 15-minute just hit 12 pips.
Oh, that was 12 pips. How big is this range?
Bigger than it looks.
20 pip range. Wow. Yeah, because below is a 60 pip range, right? We rejected off that resistance, closed bearish. Nice. Winner had no bond wick. Yep.
I'm gonna be a little precautionary at that 4-hour support with gold. $18.92.
Mm-hmm. So what if we switch to Twitch? Where's chat? I haven't been talking to chat. Chat, what if we switch to Twitch, chat? I've had a long discussion about this. YouTube, I've been waiting way too long for them to change their platform and add the stream service thing, and I haven't been doing anything. So I don't know when they'll change it, but Marcus made a good point yesterday about Twitch.
Always make good points, man.
How about this, chat? We go on Twitch, right, and then we post our, for example, clips from Twitch to YouTube using this channel. So YouTube will still be uploading every day on a regular, but Twitch would be where our streams would be at. Yeah, Twitch is fun with subs and emotes and everything. Yeah, who is gonna pay for members, and who's gonna want to be a member, or that click that join button on YouTube? This is not like, this isn't not like, you know. But Twitch is like, people know Twitch for that stuff. And I don't know. I might not make the switch. I'll probably announce when I make the switch, but I gotta see how everything goes. I probably won't make the switch instantly. You guys will probably see me slowly make the switch. But I'll be here on YouTube, so for like the rest of the month and the rest of the year. Probably. But let's see. Maybe not the rest of the year, but majority. I did a little Instagram live. What the hell? I can't play that music. I made a Instagram thing yesterday, and
You deleted it. Oh no.
which platform for streaming? 80% YouTube. I'm surprised. 80%
by that age group.
I'm surprised at the age group. I'm surprised with the results of the Twitch and YouTube with the age group. That's why I'm surprised. I thought everyone would be like, yeah, Twitch.
You've been preaching that YouTube is slowly making the push. It's like, everything sounds like trading. YouTube is making the push to become you know, above the range. No, it sounds like you've been like trying to follow YouTube's push to be more on the in with streaming.
Yeah. Here's the problem though. They're not making a push. It's 2021. Everyone's streaming now. Where is the push?
They're stuck in the range, bro.
They are. They're really stuck in the range.
Did you go on YouTube
no
here?
Volume.
It's all like videos, right? You can't really go watch live or anywhere. I mean, go on live here, but it's like,
Music,
you know,
music,
it's
music,
like
music,
it's no like category. You go on Twitch. And then you see this stuff. Like, there's a day trading section too. Oh, crypto section. Crypto stocks.
That guy.
I mean, there's a decent amount of people on Twitch, and you see the whole category.
Yeah, wow. There's a lot of people.
Twitch is just I don't know. YouTube is like old head Facebook, and Twitch is like new head TikTok. That's kind of like that's like the easiest way to explain it, I guess.
YouTube is getting volume of 9 a.m. opening.
Guys, it's kind of like how on TikTok you could post like 5 videos and blow up, and then on Instagram you could post 1,000 videos and have 100 followers. Same thing on like Twitch. It has a better algorithm, bigger audience for streaming, such and such.
Yeah.
There's no discovery on YouTube. You have to bring them in.
Oh
from other
shit.
platforms.
W Mod Tyler, thanks for that TikTok.
YouTube was a fake out. F in the chat for Facebook
It
streamers.
was Andre's idea.
W Andre.
We work as a team here. I had the idea. I knew that Tyler was going to be able to execute.
I see. And like Twitch way better? Yeah, we all know it's way better. It's just about making the push, you know? But I want to do like, I think on Twitch what I'm going to do though, is I'm going to stream in the morning. Regular streams 6:30 to 9:30. And then in the evening is when I'm going to do my own shit. Just chatting. Or we might just do morning streams, move on to just chatting right away. Like we'll move on to just, you know, do whatever after.
Don, I got a question for you.
Yo.
On gold 1 hour time frame, we've had a couple rejections at 1892.98. So that support there. If we push up a little bit and then break the lows of that 1 hour, would you anticipate a celery coming down or no? Would you wait for a closure below on like a 30 or something?
We're skeptical about this because we have rejection levels so many times there.
Yeah.
I think I'll wait for a closure.
It's the same support on the 4 hour. I was like a little precautionary about. I saw some rejections.
Yeah. The thing about gold is like I'm bullish on gold still. Just because the weekly's still bullish. And like we did break the lows on the daily, but we're like this is a pretty decent support here. At any given point we're still bullish for the week. Things like tomorrow's NFP day too. And tomorrow is, I mean, what are they expecting tomorrow? Let's see. Tomorrow they are expecting for NFP good numbers. Oh, very good numbers too. Very good numbers. Yeah, good numbers. Good numbers all around the board. Wow. Let's see how tomorrow goes. I don't know. I think I'll probably wait for a closure on like a 15:30.
If that 30 retraced a little bit,
yeah,
I probably would have got on the 30 for an onion to come down, but it's a 26 pip stop loss and a 10 pip target, and so you would be able to move stops to breaks and hopefully leave a runner to like 1889.
Mm-hmm.
I'm feeling extra locked in after not taking a trade yesterday. Feeling ready.
Yeah, I took 2 yesterday. Took 1 loss, 1 dub.
That's what onion here on GJ. It's got a long time though. Probably will close too high up, but yeah, keep an eye on.
That's our RTS 3080. It's the madness. That came out like a long time ago, no? I have this. I have the 70. can I? Hold on, go on TikTok. And then go on my channel. Am I live? It doesn't show live? I can't browse. Oh, it's different. Oh no. Wow, you can't watch live, your own live on your browser. That's weird. How's Rose's new setup? It's pretty good. Very chill. Ooh, I thought GG closed below for a second. GG closed right at that support there. Same support that it has closed above right here. So going to reject that support. Let's see what happens here. We're still bullish for a day, looking for buys above 155, 730 here. So let's hope we break out the range today. We don't actually stay in this range here for the New York session, because London moved pretty nicely. London moved like a good 10 pips is this. London moved a decent 30 pips, which is probably a lot less than I thought. What is gold next move? Your idea? Gold next move for me is I'm trying to see if we can get a closure below 1893. Honestly, Andre, looking back at it, I think these are your best opportunity for sells right here, coming down to fill this range. Because now you're at a level where we don't know what's going to happen here. We could reject, or we could just continue down. But again, it's at a 4-hour support, pretty hefty support. If you were to take sells on, you know, that 15-minute onion going down to retest lows, you had at least that range there to secure. But now it's like, well, very sketchy area now.
I think 15, 16 pip stop on the hourly seller play is like normally honestly a really good risk to reward for gold. Like normally you're not going to see like an hourly seller play with a stop loss that small, but just of where it is, like it's at that 4-hour support, like we're saying, is more reason to stay out. Like if it was in a different scenario, I would definitely take that. If it wasn't at that 4-hour support, maybe if that 1-hour candle was like at the top of resistance coming down to test the lows, I would think that would be a good move, but a closure below is safest.
Good call, because that 1-hour seller play looks like it just got stopped, or just about stopped out, flip bullish after breaking those lows.
I was tempted to put the sell stops there, but it's still early. I'm gonna wait for some volume. We also have news today as well, so I'm expecting some volume later on to come in, and that'll be good. Get some volume, let the volume come in, and then take a trade once it dies down a little bit. We got
army here, right?
Yes, sir. I actually had my 10:30 cancel on me, so we can do it right after stream if you want.
We're gonna do it on stream, matter of fact.
Okay.
Did you just down do it on stream?
Yeah.
I'm scared. I want to do it on stream, man. Too much pressure. Let's
do it on Discord for Discord members.
I think we might as well do it on stream.
Yeah.
Cat, would you guys watch me work out and trade at the same time?
Honestly, it's lit.
Man, I think Cat would just watch whatever the fuck I do. Get some food to eat. He doesn't watch me eat and watch videos. Guys, make sure you guys join the Discord. If you guys haven't joined the Discord yet, join the Discord. Link in the description down below. Is it still working, the link? Also leave a like on the stream too. What are we doing here? Where is the link? Discord. Yeah, still works. Perfect. Join Discord. Join the Discord. Charts for streams. Okay. Got some nice charts here. My bad, guys. Yo, Pierre, you want to come on here with the first chart of the day? Let's see what we got here. So this is GJ on a 1 hour time frame. Currently 1 hour range here. Looking for 1 hour start play. Resistance created. Weekly high, bullish daily. A 14 pip range going up above that area. Yeah, it's not bad. That's a 1 hour, right, on GJ? How's a 1 hour look? Yeah, right there. Okay. Closure above there going up. How big is the range? Like you said, 14 pips. Not bad. Weekly high, bullish daily. Yes, that's also the high. Yep. 1 hour start play. Oh, it could be happening right now. But is it 1-to-1 though if you take the 1 hour start play though? Right, your stops are looking at it's gonna be 17 pips for a TP of 11 pips. So unless your TP is a bit higher than that, but I personally want to see this 15 close here below the range and the next 15 close above and get a buy going up. What is this? Interessante. GJ buy is on the 30-minute time frame. I'm looking for a pullback, create a support, and then retest them highs. Only looking for buys. Buys above 155, 750. Yeah, the same buys. Bullish buys is what we were looking for. This is the 30-minute time frame that you marked up. If we're able to break below support, then yes, I do see us coming down towards that support down there. Looking for buys going up. Yeah. I'll try to stay away from just drawing arrows. Other than that, it's a pretty good idea for trades. You're just sticking to one buy, so only although we're breaking below support. A lot of people just have buys above there, sells below there, right? Andrea, another chart. Gold 5-minute time frame, 1 fake out, 2 strong bullish candles confirming the fake out, 3 broke out of a small time frame downtrend and broke above 5-minute support. Enter with the thought process that if price leaves a zone, there's a higher probability that it reaches the next zone instead of retracing to the previous zone. Oh, nice. I like the idea. Enter the thought process that if price leaves a zone, there's a higher probability that it reaches the next zone. Yes. But trading is all about zones. Trading is literally all ranges and zones. Like you have a range down here, you break that range, you go into this range, right? That's like the setup. And then you wait for your entries. The entries would be closures above the ranges, start your play going up, or whatever the case is. For example, this is your next zone right here. So this is another zone. If we were to break into that zone, you may look for buys going up using the start play, right? Or whatever it is, closure above ranges, impulse buys, whatever your entry type is. But I like the idea. That fake out was nice too. The vibes here are unmatched. Would you not be comfortable to take a buy in this range on GG or gold? Yo, Andre, you know how early you said start play going down? I'm thinking if you had no bottom wick, that could just be the low being created for that candle. That's off that 4-hour support to continue up because the weekly is still bullish.
Yes, makes sense. Would you take buys above like 1897?
Yeah. Good idea. Yeah, above 1898. Up here probably.
I'm gonna be pretty precautionary on the buys and like really wait for, might even wait for like the 4-hour to close.
Yeah, because us, even if you get buys above that 1898, it's gonna be the 4-hour flip as well, or 4-hour brew breaking the highs. Unless you can get buys. I'm gonna delete these for now. Sells below the closure. Yeah. Morning, lads. What's going on? Left game. How do we mod?
Can you guys hear Don or no?
I'm talking on TikTok.
Oh, okay, okay.
TikTok is behind YouTube? Really? There's a delay on TikTok? Hey Marcus, can I go on pause on TikTok or no?
I have no idea. Never tried.
Huh. Phone's at 100%. Hey yo, what's up? What's up, Nelson FX? Guys, I actually think yesterday I started the 1v1 thing for 10 minutes. You gotta book your spots. I think we got 2 spots left, or 1 spot left, I believe. So make sure you guys book that for course members. If you guys are interested in a quick 1v1 to ask whatever. That's the only way I'll do all the 1v1s, I think. I'm not gonna just sit down and pay each, charge each person for a 1v1. I think I'm just do with the course members. Like every week I'll have some time slots and you guys can book whatever time slot you want. And then 1v1 popping. Gold starting to close bullish here in about 50 seconds. Look at gold, man. On the 15, we are closing back in this range here, and every time we close above, I want to say here, we're able to pop up towards the next resistance, which is up here at the 1898. See, you can get buys going up here. The same buys go up. 30 pip stop loss. Oof. On tight. TR, I was gonna say earlier, nice Juice WRLD poster. When you left earlier, I literally thought it was Juice WRLD. I think he was there.
It's like a life-size version.
Is that Louis in future?
Huh?
Is that baby Pluto next to it?
Yeah. It's Pluto. Baby Pluto.
Oh, it's baby Pluto. Kind of cool. I got ASAP Rocky. Oh, I drew it.
Yeah, I want to get a Travis Scott poster and then a Drake poster next.
That was in chat. Andre, I was looking at these buys on gold here. I noticed that every time we've closed, I want to say above here, we were able to continue up towards the next level of resistance.
What's that price that you had your cursor on?
1895.696.
696.
Like if you look at the like current range now that you have this right here, I wanted like a closure above, a little above, but we closed below, so that's what made me stay out. But also stops are too big for initial TP.
What are stops in that 15? They're pretty big.
I noticed that we were able to pop up like not only this resistance, but able to pop up towards like this resistance up here at the 1902 mark.
Yeah.
I know 4 hours. I know the daily's bearish, but I'm still like heavily bullish. The weekly.
If you got on the flip there of that current 15, you can move stops to break even at 1896.78, which is 10 pips. It's not bad, honestly. It's just like a 27 pip stop. Kind of a big stop. Yeah. Big for me at least.
This is stopping me out right here though. The way that we close above, below like this minor resistance right here. If we close above, I'll be interested, but since it close below, it's respecting that level. So on a 5 minutes prior resistance, something for sure.
We're still respecting that previous 30-minute high as well. Bearish
candle. Yeah, maybe we get a 30-minute closure. Nice. We close below the range here that I asked for in GJ. So now this next candle, as long as it closes above here, something like this, we should be good for buys going up. Where's that next range? It'd be perfect. Time for 15:30 and 1 hour start on gold sales.
Should rewind like 10 minutes. We talked about the precautionary move, like why would be precautionary on those salaries going down just because of the 4-hour support.
Yeah. Hey, now I'm going to start on my account with $500. What do you think is an ideal lot size for that account size? 1 to 2% per trade, depending on how big your stop loss is. I'm not sure the type of style you trade, so I can't really tell you what that is. But let's say you have an average of 10 pips stop loss. Increase or decrease the lot size until it's 1% with that stop loss that you have in mind for that certain trade. What's 1% of $500? Everyone's math is off today. That is gonna be $5. So you will risk $5 per trade. 5 to 10. 2% will be $10 obviously, right? But with the 10 lot, if you were to enter a position and your stop loss were to be 10 pips, you would probably want to pop a 0.5, 0.05. Because if that were to hit stop loss, that'll be your $5. Right? So. And I know you might be thinking, well, that's too little, man. I want to risk like $100 per trade. You risk $100 per trade, and you have 5 chances with that account, not even less probably because of margin and all that.
There goes gold, man.
Yeah, broke that 50-minute low, 50-minute start play here. Yeah, we're breaking our lows. But that 4 hours is kind of ugly, but we have like a wick flow in the 4 hour time frame driving down. Where's that range? Daily start play as well. It makes sense. $15 has no top wick. 30-minute has a wick though. That's fine. A closure, I think a closure on 30-minute time frame would be ideal here. Yeah, once you get that closure in 9 minutes, that's coming down. Did I want to take onion play on GJ Daily? GJ Daily onion play? Oh yeah, I drew it out yesterday during Asian. Yeah, it was the onion going up. I just love how like all tariffs are doing the same thing majority of the times. Like the same shit you see in a 15 is the same shit you see in a daily time frame. Now you just add pieces to it. Oh wow, we actually might get that closure on GJ2 going up. Sells on gold, buys on GJ going up here if we get closure. At least on pre-market field today. A workout. A workout on stream or no, guys? What do you guys think? It's arm day. I can also do like full face cam too. Is that coffee, Marcos? I want some coffee, man. I don't drink coffee anymore though. I retired off coffee.
Yeah, it's that cold brew with almond milk.
Yeah.
No added sugar. You know the vibes. Andre, you just scream black coffee drinker. Could see it in your eyes. Confirm or deny?
Been talking all week about how I got a milk frother, man.
Oh yeah, you're right. Apologies, my apologies. How you like that? It's going good for you?
Yeah, I love it. It's fire.
Hey, is the milk frother the little thing like you press a button and then it spins?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I got that shit too.
Yeah, I got this little bougie one that has like a stand that like hangs the milk frother, you know, it's like suspended in air. It's nice.
My shit from Target, I think.
This guy Andre got from Louis Vuitton. I got mine from Target. Yeah.
It's a Gucci milk frother.
Yeah.
Fucking guy. Andre. Chabala hoodies are locked in, chat. They're locked in.
Yes.
Yeah, I can't wait to see this.
Let's go.
Definitely locked in. You can't wait to see them?
Yeah.
This should be a
Yeah.
preview, like probably what, early next week, Andre, probably. Honestly, early next week we'll have a preview.
Late next week.
Okay.
Late next week. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get my name on the back.
I like it. Do it.
Yeah, bro. I think it would be lit to have a stream during the workout. Yeah, cause like, I don't know. We always like hop in a Discord call and a workout call or a corporate call and we work out there. So. And also like when we're trading, like we're not like gonna be like doing what we're doing now where we just sit there and just obviously explain everything that's going on. We kind of just, we already know what we're looking for. It'll be more advanced. Like we'll be like, oh, onion play going up. Like we'll say things like that for reference of what we're looking at. But we'll take trades obviously on the live and we're managed the same way and all that. Pretty cool. It'll be like a 4 to 5 hour workout. Did you guys like the launch was better when I used to stream to like 9:30, 10? I was thinking. Sometimes I like hanging around with chat.
It's only 5 minutes left, but it looks like there's gonna be that 30-minute salary on GJ. I'm gonna wait for that closure, but looks like we're getting some volume. Might just push now.
I need that 15 to close above. We should be fine. I doubt it's gonna go all the way up 5 minutes. GJ hasn't done that in 6 fucking months.
Market makers are they're listening now. They're gonna.
Yeah, okay. It's not even gonna close above. That's just gonna close below, then go all the way up. Then it's gonna
Marcus is
hit the
down
next
bad
range.
on GJ.
I have no trust.
Yeah.
What's up, guys?
What's going on? How you doing?
Fine, and you?
Oh, blurry. We're looking at GT gold. Hop on the YouTube side if you want to have a clearer vision of it. Try to see how the engagement is. I feel like it's gonna be like, I don't know, maybe I'm just overestimating it, but I feel like it's gonna be a lot of people that are gonna troll, which is fine. I don't get bothered by trolls as much anymore. I used to. If you guys watch my streams back in the day, I used to get a lot bothered by trolls, but because I have such a great mod team. What is this song, man? Oh man. Yeah, man. I said retired coffee, but I drink caffeine like full caffeine. I retired on coffee, but I drink on G Fuel. I mean, in pre-market fuel and stuff. Marcos, are you drinking pre-market fuel today?
Negative.
Oh, you drink coffee already?
I just had my iced coffee. Maybe I'll have it later, but probably not. Probably just need to load up on water. I think I was lacking on water last night.
Why I don't look at that pair. Don't look at that pair. Yes, I'm gonna start on the YouTube side. Look at it for you. Imagine I can have commands on the TikTok side. Cool. Half risk for 16 pip stop loss. Wait, that daily candle was a 16 pip stop loss?
Nah, that's why I was confused. It's 46 pips. I think he used the 4-hour stop loss instead of the daily.
That stop loss was 48 pips. Yeah, I think we talked about this yesterday. How we talked about swing trading using the higher time frame. If I was a swing trader, this is how I'll swing trade. I'll do the same thing on the 1530, but just on the higher time frame. Same concepts. Also be massive, but counts are candles at the end of the day.
That's why I was asking Jack Fung, like, how do you adjust your wrist swing trading? Like, if you got a 46 pip stop loss, you normally pop a 3.0. Do you like pop a 0.75 in that case, or 0.5 or something?
You just use the calculator, like a percentage calculator. Hashtag Stinu.
Looking for GG buys, guys, in a minute here, a minute and a half. 30 minutes and close. 30 minutes started play, 15-minute closure above for price to drive up with a bullish trend. Looks pretty clean to me. Stop loss is looking like it's gonna be, I mean, depends on where it closes, like a 14 pips for a 15 pip. Let's see. If you get a 1-to-1 here, it comes down to that.
You wouldn't enter on the 15-minute.
Oh wait, where the 15-minute stops? Oh yeah.
9 pips.
Yeah. 8-9 pips for. Yeah, I was looking at that. Yeah. What if we had top wick though or something?
And here we go.
We drew us out, guys. We just need a closure now for the picture to be completed.
With a top look.
They have a lot on time. This last minute in this candle, so hopefully we get that form.
No top wick.
30 seconds. 30 seconds.
That's top look. You gotta speak it into existence.
I'm hating GJ right now.
Would have probably stops the break even on that 30-minute salary buy.
Nice.
As we close with no top wick.
You could retrace a bit. I don't think we're gonna retrace, man. I think this is Chabella. Let me see too Piog for me. Yeah, 15 close way above the range. I don't think you're looking at a 1-to-1 RR no more. Your stop loss is 11 pips. Or got a 9 pip target. Adriana on 30-minute start play?
I did not.
Wait.
I was just
I got
just talking about it. I had a feeling, Marcos, I don't know why, that 30-minute salary was gonna push.
1 hour start play as well at the same given time.
Yeah.
This is
that's
clean.
just,
this is clean.
That's never a play I personally would take.
Stops our break even
resistance.
Yeah, this is gonna go up. 1 hour started play, 30-minute started play, 15 closing above the range. Like it's a trade that I'll always take. If you only just retrace a little bit, maybe close.
Yeah, if we get a couple more pip retracement, like a 5 pip stop loss or a 6 pip stop loss on the current candle, I would get it on the flip.
Oh, using the flip as your entry.
Yeah, if we get like a 6, maybe 7.
Right here, just for here. Yeah, just flip again, re-break this highs. Okay, that's 10 pip target.
I'm gonna stay out of these buys.
I like the song. Yeah. Huh?
Yeah.
What? He's gonna fly away? Yeah. That's what's happened to you. Guard face. Imagine hitting a stop loss.
I thought that was someone on Zoom for a second.
I ain't pray for these baguettes, I pray for better days.
I'm trying to get used to where the buttons are, the layout. I need to add the airstrike incoming thing. Because by the way, I'm working on the music. I made 3 playlists. 1 chill, 1 hype. Michael suggested it. Oh. If you guys like the song, put dub or something. If you guys like really like it, you guys want me to add it to the hype. I'm testing it out.
Do you think we'll ever be able to run non-copyright music again, or do you think since that last stream it's like forever dead?
I'm pretty sure I can play copyright music stream, like copyright and just demonetize it, but my plan for May or for June was just not to play it.
What happened that one time? Did you like get like another email that like stopped the stream or whatever because of the music that was playing?
I guess I had a moderator watching my stream, a YouTube mod maybe, I don't know, and then they kind of just detected it and like, hey, this guy's playing music on stream, let's take this shit down. So I can probably play it during the intro song or outro song, but I don't know. I always felt wrong doing it, but I like doing it because it's just the vibes. It's there. I need to speak to Drake or something. My contract expired for all the artists. That. He's gonna fly away. Yeah, fly away, fly away. I don't know where to put my water no more because I can put it right there.
I have a buy stop if the candle flips.
Ooh,
I was
nice.
just gonna say that out loud.
Nice, that's a good position.
You beat me to it. Yeah, I have a buy stop as well.
This is a scene I took yesterday.
Make it like the perfect retest.
Yeah.
3 minutes close, 15 also.
We shall see. Not bad. 8 pip stop. Less than 1% risk.
Yeah.
What is that?
5 minutes starter
previous
play at the
top
same
work?
given time. Yeah. Ooh.
How's that previous 15-minute top wick for you guys, Stefano, Marcos? You guys aren't bothered by how small it is, or?
No, there's a current top wick on the current candle.
I'm gonna place a buy stop there too. Similar trade we've taken yesterday.
5-minute celery play as well now.
Yeah, that's that.
Also, the 1 hour is like a celery play. So, I like it.
Would be breaking the daily highs. It's got a lot going for it.
Yes, sir.
One 155 through 807 is my buy stop. Sell loss is gonna be a current count low, which is around 6-7 pips, 7-8 pips. TP is around like 9-10 pips. Pretty much in this case, same situation as yesterday. We closed above the range, but unfortunately stops are way too big for our target. So we're gonna use our current count lows. Ooh, about to get activated here, guys. Ooh, activated. We're in some buys here. Also got activated here. Stop loss is the current count low, and TP is gonna be up here around 10 pips. How would I manage positions in this case? Well, probably if price were to continue up here and come up towards, like, I want to say this level of resistance, I would look to move my stop to break even. I want to say around this marker, around there. Same exact trade I attempted yesterday. I think after the stream.
Talking about on gold, right?
Yeah, on gold. Same trade on gold after the stream. Had the same trade on gold during the stream as well. I think we did the same trade yesterday. I'm using current count stops. Oh, and gold came back up. Wow, back in the range.
If you come to re-break those highs again, you guys should say ciao bella, be good.
Yep. You're not getting in, right?
No, I'm gonna sit this one out. I feel like, you know, like when you don't take a trade for like 2 or 3 days, I feel like it almost sometimes like you get extra precautionary to some extent.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know that feeling.
I know.
Yeah.
I was 2 weeks off, and yesterday was like shaking.
Getting back into it.
Yeah.
Stefano, I'm glad you're back though, man. We missed you.
Oh, thanks. I miss you too.
Extraño.
Gracias. Yo también.
Not gonna lie, guys. I think the iPad is a lot better trading experience than the iPhone. It's kind of cool. It's like a second monitor here. It's just like sitting. Screen's bigger. Oh, pushing up here.
Okay.
MT5 looks beautiful on this iPad. Beautiful.
Don, you had a entry on the break of the high that was already made, right? You didn't have like an entry on the flip of the candle?
Break of the highs. Yeah.
Break of the highs.
Yep. So my entry is like, yeah, 500 around there. We're breaking the highs. Let's see. Can this be Chow Bala? This range looks big, but it's so small. It's a 10-pip range.
30-minute looks gold. I mean, 15 and 30 look good, but that 30 just like it's got 20 minutes left to push. Looks good.
Yeah, it's also a 30-minute candle. It's not the last 4 to 5, right? Like, everything's just kind of perfect. Everything's kind of perfect. I just wish we could have retraced it on that 15. Fine.
The Fame asked the question of where would you move stops to break even? Somewhere maybe like 155, 84, somewhere
right here,
there.
right around here.
Yeah.
8-4. We'll be like probably go about 8-pip range and 10-pip range in general. Or have a 4-pip in profit or something. Move stops to break even. There's like a minor resistance right here if you look to the left. I'll be very cautious about that. Right there. I honestly would expect this candle to just fly.
Push.
Yeah.
If this 15 closes weak bearish, will you manage your position at all, or there's not really much to manage?
Might consider closing half or something.
Be a 15 celery play going up, obviously, but then the range is a little tight going up.
Yeah.
It's like 7-8 pips then.
If you guys are confused with the trade idea, technically the whole trade idea was like right here. Push about the range, the last spurs count low, TP up here. But if you look at the RR, it's not that great. You have a 12-pip stop loss, like a 9-10-pip target, right? So the only thing you can do in this case is you could use a current candle, which is what we did. We entered 160 candle, create a low, the bullish, anticipating price to drive up to retest the area of resistance. And obviously, current candle lows make sense too, because even if you were to manage positions on this trade here, let's say you enter a buy as you close above, if price were to come down to break the current candle low, that's where you close half anyways that, because the probability of us going up after isn't high if that were to break. That's why that's our stop loss in this case. Okay, trading on GK. Okay. Why? Yeah, currently in a trade here. We're gonna buy here. How to buy stop. I'm gonna mute my mic here.
Yo, where was that minor resistance?
Is that
4-5.
4-5.
Oh wait, no, 8-5. 8-4, 8-4. 8-4-5. There you go. Who's counts reflecting bullish again?
the fact? Did you get in?
Yeah, I got it.
You close 50% if the active 5-minute breaks to like previous count lows. No, not the 5-minute. I think I'll close half if the 15 word close bearish here. It's been 15 minutes already. Wow, a minute left for this candle. Stops are only 6.5 pips there. Let's see.
That'll probably be the smallest stop loss you have all month.
Yeah, it's a pretty small stop loss. 6.5 pips.
Marcos, you looking to reduce any risk if this 15 closes bearish, or are you just gonna let it ride?
Wait and see how it closes. If it's a super weak bearish, probably not. I'm also looking at the 5-minute and respecting lows still.
I want to say as long as you close below above here, we should be good. If you close below, I'll look to close half. But if you close above, I'll be fine. The position still on the 5.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Third minute will still be open.
If we respect these lows on the 5, and it could just be a 5-minute seller play. I don't want to close half if it doesn't break those lows.
Yeah, because this is the range. Let's see. It has to respect the support. If it closes below, it means that we're breaking. We have a high chance of continuing down. That's where our power close half or entry full at. 35 seconds left in this candle closure. We're in a 1 pip drawdown right now, guys. Literally a 1 pip
If this was
drawdown.
gold, it would be like a 15 pip drawdown at the moment. if it looked like this, and that's like a 40 pip range going up.
Yeah.
On GJ, it's 8.
But it's gonna jump the last minute. I mean, let's see what happens. Might close dojo. Oh wow. Close bullish. 6, 5, 4, 3. Cool, perfect. It's gonna close bearish but above this range here, which is fine still. What we probably need now is for us to re-break the highs. So
Yeah, even if we break these 5-minute lows, I might wait a second just because it is the new 15-minute bottom wick. I'm just gonna chill for a little.
15 opened up with no bottom wick. Here comes the flip of this candle on the 15.
Yeah, it'll likely break the lows of the 5 just because it's the 15-minute bottom wick. So I think I'm gonna wait just to see what happens.
Guys, I found a new spot to put my cup. You know where it is? It's on my desk. In the middle though.
No, buddy.
I won't touch this though. Yeah, 2-minute chart. This is a 15-minute chart. 3-minute chart actually right now.
Don, how many people do you have on TikTok Live?
2 people.
How many?
2.
Nice.
Pretty good for our first live. I mean, concurrent viewers. I think our peak so far was like 4 or 5. I think 4. It's pretty good.
Break these 5-minute highs, it should be good.
Yo, Don, I missed what you said earlier. Did you say that we're moving over to Twitch or what?
No, I didn't confirm anything. I was just talking about it.
Okay.
But yeah, I wasn't saying much. Oh, 5-minute rebroke. Flipping bearish here.
Whoa.
Oh,
Some volume here. Some volume. Flipping up and down right now.
Reflipping bullish. I wouldn't look at the 15 too much right here. I'll look at that 30-minute time frame if you're in a straight still. Yeah.
I'm hoping this position plays out before this hourly closes. We got about 13, 14 minutes. I don't want to get stopped out by hourly bottom wick.
The good thing is that like I said, hourly's still bullish though in this case. But
yeah. Because the hourly bottom wick could still be bullish and break all the way back into the range.
Marcus was like, there's some volume here. Just think like we moved 2 pips.
It moved it moved up and down, back and forth. It's a struggle here between the Bears and the Bulls.
The Bears and the Buzz.
It's a tug of war. How many times do you think this thing has flipped back and forth, bullish and bearish?
Like 6 times or 7
in a row.
Oh, you're in this one, right, Stefano?
Yes.
Okay, here's the flip again. We're breaking the highs this time, though.
This is it.
Oh no, hold on. It has to break the 15 high. 15 is pushing.
But right now, my stop loss is based in the 5 minutes because every single candle in the 5 minutes have been respecting the lows. So right now, my stop loss is at
That's a good point.
155.76.
Yeah, I see that. Previous 5. This is like watching a baby try to walk.
Juggling.
Oh, we broke the highs.
Broke the highs on the
Finally,
15. The 15 start play, I think. Not yet.
Not
Wait.
quite.
Highs were 818. Okay, there's the highs. There's the highs.
The baby walks.
Let's see if we can continue up now.
You gotta clap for it. Oh, it fell down. Busted his face on the couch. Oh god.
Jeez.
I ain't pray for these baguettes, I pray for better days.
Wrong sound. Wrong sound.
Oh my god.
I think I'm gonna ruin every joke with the sound of this thing. Hey, 15 flip bearish. Yeah, this is looking like a struggling, man.
This is an L. Potential L.
It's like a struggling.
1 pip. I'm about to take a 1 pip loss. Manual closure.
This thing is flipping bearish here. Looks like it's gonna create this last 15 is gonna create a bottom wick for 1 hour candle. Or top wick for 1 hour candle to continue up on our next hourly. I was thinking to maybe close and wait for the hourly close there in about 10 minutes and take a position. And once you actually get that, then I'm gonna close right here, guys. I'm gonna close right here with a negative 1 pip loss, and I'm gonna wait for this 1 hour candle to close here. Yeah. I closed there with a negative 1 pip loss. We're gonna wait for this 1 hour candle to close there. Because if you look at the hourly, right? The hourly has about 9 minutes left for a closure. And as long as it closes above 155.730, it should be good. But again, like when I entered that trade, we entered at like around 7:30. We expected a push happen right away on the flip of that candle as we create a lower wick with volume, right? Obviously we had no volume there, and we're starting to reject this resistance here on the 15-minute time from here. So it makes sense to just wait, close it, and wait for a closure above here now, or a closure above here and enter positions. Maybe the 815 candle for price to drive up. But that's what I did in that trade. Trades taken. DJ 5 negative. I'll say 2 pips. Why is it how'd you manage that position, Marcos? You close or what?
Yeah, I closed. I closed half on the break of the 5, and then I closed an additional half on the break of the next 5 on the lows. Muted. Oh, no, I'm not muted.
Managed risk pretty well there. Not gonna lie, guys. I was struggling to close the position on my iPad. I did not know how to use this iPad. MT5. It's kind of confusing. It's not the same as not different.
The fact, did you close your position, or you got it still open?
No, I closed them all. I had I put a couple multiple positions whenever the 15 was retracing back to the support to try to make the risk reward a little bit better. But I closed them all up because the 5 minute was breaking lows.
Make it a hourly closure below that support on gold, below 1892.98. Might anticipate some sells on gold, but these last 6 minutes are crucial. I can definitely see us retracing and not closing below.
Yeah. It was the same concept as you know, not entering position on the last 15 minute of the hourly, just because you're expecting a pullback. So as we got close to that last 15, probably close, right? It just didn't really make sense anymore. Just rejecting that level. It's struggling to break that area. Two, three. Yeah. I mean, it was looking about, man, it's around the first trade. First time MT5 into the last. No, I'm on MT5 always. I just haven't been on MT5 on iPad. That was the first time using an iPad. I was confused on like how it close positions. It's a bit different. It doesn't have like the overall. You know how you go on like the middle of your screen and it shows like all your positions that you're in, and you can swipe right to close. You can't do that on this. I don't think so. Kind of weird. I was struggling. Yeah, on MT5 iPad you have to hold. I was struggling too. Really? Ah, that's kind of cool. In fact, did you get in that position?
Yeah, I got in.
Did you close?
Yeah, I closed.
I think you managed risk pretty well there.
Appreciate it.
We would now be in we would have hit stop loss pretty much, but we avoid stop loss by closing positions. This may look like a rejection of 1530, but on the hourly it's just a 1 hour wick fill. Let's see how we close there. Last hourly before our count too. Let's go doing nothing. Wow. Gold ain't doing nothing. Can we look for buys on gold? What are you trading? Gold. Buys on gold. I probably wouldn't look for buys on gold until we actually break like 1898.22. I'll say above there. I'm still holding that long position on GJ. Really? What was your stop loss in that position? I mean, I think if you have your stop loss on the 15, it might tap. If you broke the current count lows, obviously 30-minute stop loss would be way down here. Then if that's your stop loss, what would have been your target then for that trade? Our runners, right? This 1 hour might not even close above the range. If this 1 hour closes below the range, we're in like pretty rangy session then. Stay in this area here.
Doesn't that look pretty good on gold or not?
The way it closes, yeah, gold looks pretty clean. Yeah. Wow, GG did not close. Oh, you gotta stop. Oh. Yeah.
One thing I'd say on gold is just be precautionary. Didi just said something in the Zoom chat. There's news in 15 minutes, and then you got the open of the new hourly. That hourly high, previous wick, is all the way at 1895. So we could disrespect 15, 30-minute highs, but still respect the 1 hour highs. News is coming out. Even if we get a closure below, we might get like a little hairy.
A little hairy? So you just said?
little hairy.
Yo, Marcus, is this the most common asked question? What are you trading?
Yeah, what is this?
Oh,
What is this? What are you trading?
people aren't traders, right? They come from across like the TikTok FYP page, I guess.
Yeah, you'll get people from all types of trading, so that they're just wondering like what asset you're trading. Don't even
Yeah.
know whether it's stocks, forex, or crypto.
I think
Alright.
if it makes like a nice top wick and then it breaks the previous 30s lows, I might get in. Yeah,
Nice. You're gonna use previous 30-minute highs for 22 pips.
yeah.
Nice. Here it is, right here, man. It's coming.
Yo, I'll just take over for a bit. I'm gonna guess pre-market fuel.
Got you, bro.
Need some fuel.
Got you. Yeah, there's some gold volume right now. I'm gonna be honest. I'm probably gonna stay out just because of news. News wasn't popping out in 15 minutes. I'd probably take this, but I guess like the worst feeling I feel like with gold is like if you get stopped out in like 3 seconds on a 22 pip stop loss, it just like it hurts. It hurts. This is a good retest here at 1892.98 though. I think your entry on the break, the fact is not bad. The fact, what's your target here?
$89.63. Wait. Yeah. Wait, that's not.
Not gonna lie, I'm still looking at GJ. We got GJ 1 hour bottom wick. If we get some sort of 15-minute onion, I'm looking for that to come back up. Little break and retest action.
That hourly close above So
it did. So just waiting for this bottom. Well, this is already the bottom wick, but I just need a smaller time frame confirmations, like either a fake out or an onion or something like that.
yeah, I'm just not a big fan of that range. It's like 11 pips to like 155.87.
Yeah,
Shows
I have
it's a
my
little bit bigger.
15 resistance at 159.89. It's about
159 or 155.
yeah, 400 pips. So it's about a 16 pip range. If we get a nice closure on entry, it'll probably be like 12. Low stop loss, not bad. That's GJ for you.
I think gold's gonna come down here.
Yeah, I like gold, but again, I'm on your boat. I'm not gonna take positions when unemployment claims are about to happen.
Yeah. So just right now in this position, I would move my stops to the current candle high for 10 pips, and about right now, I'd be moving my stops to break even.
You in effect?
Silence.
Yeah, I'm in.
What's your entry?
1891.79.
Is that a FOMO entry?
No, it's break of previous candle low.
Oh, on the 1 hour. Gotcha.
Oh, what the fuck?
That's never a good sign.
What happened?
Yo, I was on the wrong time frame.
Yeah, you wanted to do that on the 30-minute, and you did it on the hourly.
That's why I was like, wait, what?
Yeah, that's all right. That's just.
I mean, you
lesson
should
learned,
be,
you know.
I think you're good. He's in profit right now, or not anymore.
Yeah, you're using current 1 hour highs.
Yeah. Yo.
14 pip stop.
What happened? Did they go move for you guys?
Yeah, but he answered on the wrong time frame.
What do you mean entered the wrong time frame?
You wanted to enter on the 30-minute, but he entered off the break of the low on the hourly, which is like a 4 or 5 pip difference.
Ooh. It was a late entry.
Mistakes happen. You can't beat yourself up. On
Did you save the wasted noise?
And I'm sober and I did that.
I got you, bro. I got you.
I ain't pray for these baguettes, I pray for better days.
I pray for better days.
Yo, down horrendous.
Nah, I think he's good.
You still open?
Nah, I got out.
Oh, this is gonna hurt way more when it breaks the lows.
Don't say that to him. Don't say that.
Bro, welcome to reality. That's the trading game. The pain and suffer.
I got, you know what? It's all opinionated. I feel like if you took a position that you didn't want to take, you're better
Close it
to
right
get
away.
out of it. Yeah, you're better to get out of
Completely.
it than even if it goes to smack TP. That's not.
I would have
a
closed
position
it
you
in
want to be
profit. I would have closed it even if I was in profit. Like 1 pip. I'm dead serious. Closing. If I'm in profit 4 pips, like just close or break even. Like just like, you know what I mean? It's like, damn, I don't want to be in this, but maybe I got lucky.
Yeah. I think in those situations, the best thing you can do is just ask yourself. I mean, the entry that you had wasn't a bad entry. It's the same entry that on the 30-minute time frame. It's just that you missed on an extra like 4 or 5 pips, which sometimes wouldn't be the best thing, but it's still a good entry though. On 1 hour break of lows, right? Same trade scenario. You can still move stocks to break even as you tap that minor support there around 6 pips in profit. Obviously, we didn't get down there yet, but what's your stop loss for a trade? Your current candle high?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it's still a good trade overall.
5-minute close below Andre. Made a top wick, about to flip bearish.
5 minutes got no bottom wick.
Yep.
Got to keep those same rules. That's
Which
like
the previous?
yeah,
Oh, that's bottom wick,
previous.
man.
That's not a bottom wick.
That's a
That's a
bottom.
nipple. That's a nipple. Remember the talks we've had about nipples?
That looks a little bigger than a nipple on mine. I don't know.
There you go on GJ. Oh.
We avoided a huge loss there.
Yes. Good. Dubs in the chat, guys. Dubs in the chat. You got 1-2 pip loss.
Yeah, if we close back and flip back above resistance on 15-minute for GJ, that's that 1 hour bottom wick, flipping bullish.
Ooh, gold.
Yeah.
Gold doing its thing. Wow.
Yo,
Look at
Marco.
that.
In fact, talk us through it.
Bro.
Talk us through it. Talk us through what you're feeling, the fact. Just talk us through it.
Don't fall for it. The fact. Just ignore it.
I don't know, man. I'm still proud of myself.
Yeah. That was a test and you passed.
Yeah, I'm glad I got out. Because knowing I made a mistake, it like took me out of, it made me too emotional, like took me out of robot mode. I'm trying to stay in like robot mode.
Exactly.
Part of me still likes to see that it played out. You know what I mean? I
Yeah.
think I would have.
Oof. This thing
Pray
came
for these
down.
baguettes, we pray for better days.
I ain't pray for these baguettes, I pray for better days.
I bring brand new back. What's gonna happen next couple days of market? The next couple days of markets, I don't know what that means. Talking about the next couple days to come. I send out analysis every single morning, every single day in my Asian session group, on the breakdown of what I see for a day. So yesterday we sent analysis during the Asian somewhere right. Let's say let's go to our Discord. This is our Discord here. I sent it in the Asian session. Right here. I think we drew this daily candle.
At that was to fill that range today. I'll respect these lows here.
Why does the Zoom audio sound so bad when I record it? Sounds different. But this is what we drew out yesterday. This is the day kind of drew out because we identified that the day time has it's always on a bullish trend. It came down to create a support, came up to create a resistance right here. You now have a range formed. So as we close bullish support, you can expect the next count to retest the highs if this is your overall range on a bullish trend. But hence why we expect the price to continue up today. With that being said, price obviously came up. Go back to the regular charts here. That's the daily candle right now. It has more room to go up, obviously. I believe for more buys now, you're probably gonna need a closure. I want to say above like 15577. Push up towards the top of the range. Should then be the filled range on the daily time frame. Damn. That was a good gold trade, whoever got in. Close bullet range, continue down. Not bad. ADM opening volume.
If we didn't have news at 8:15 in 4 minutes, I would have been all over that.
Did this kind of have a top wick when it opened up?
No, it actually pushed down initially, had no top wick, then flipped up, retested that level, and then pushed down.
The reason I didn't get in was because I just took a position on GJ like 10 minutes ago, so I stayed out. There's more opportunities on gold, obviously. So let's see what we have. I don't know why, but my audio sounds so. Does my audio sound weird on the Zoom side?
That's for me a little bit. It's like a little
Weird, right?
like wave. Yeah, like a little wavy. I don't know.
How about now? Is that good? I'm gonna turn those. Is that good? Does that change anything? Man, not really, right?
Yeah.
It's alright. Do you want me to sit on a trade this long, or do you enter and run? I am currently scalping. I'm a scalper. TikTok said I'm a scalper, so when we're in a trade, it usually lasts like a good 5 to 10 minutes, I'll say, on average. We get in, we get out. We don't get in with emotions though, and we don't get out with emotions. We get in and we get out using technicals in price action. So yeah, I'm usually on stream or trading every morning. Like, these are my trading hours from 6:30 a.m. Eastern to 9:30, and that's what I do every day, or every weekday. After that, I'm not on the charts at all. I'm not looking at charts. I'm not doing anything regards to trading. Just chilling and going on with my day. And sometimes you might get no trades. Sometimes you might get a trade, but we're not here to force positions. They happen to have to come. Break even on gold done for a day. Nice. That's a good position. You got break even on that? You didn't close anything on that? That's a 20 pip push down. 28 pip push. Yeah, you have news in about 15 minutes here. 15 minutes for ADP. Yo, Marcos, when you go on my live on TikTok, does it show like at the bottom, like live on YouTube, or no?
It's on the title, but it doesn't show it while you're watching. It shows it. So like, since I'm a mod, it says join as a moderator. But if you're not a mod, it has the title of the stream.
Where?
Before you watch live, or right in your notification bar.
Oh, okay.
Don, would you have taken those sells on gold if there wasn't any news?
Yeah, I think I would have entered and opened the candle after the top wick was formed, but you said the top wick was formed after, so I'm not sure how that would have went. I wasn't there to see it happen. How low did the candle drop before it came in and made a top wick? In that case,
Like a couple pips. It wasn't anything.
something like this. I mean, yeah, if it breaks the lows again, I mean that might have been your entry, or once it flipped bearish.
Actually, I don't even think it went down. It went straight up, and then Andre was like, "There goes your wick."
Oh,
and then
yeah.
The lows were.
Yeah. So once he flipped bearish, that was your entry. I think that was the best entry you could have had.
Yeah.
I think your 1 hour entry was pretty good though. It's still good entry.
GJ made a huge top wick and rejected off of that resistance.
Yeah, I think I freaked out because I've never taken a 1 hour entry before. So like, I just felt, even if I saw my MT4 like going blue, but I still felt like I was wrong. So I just got out. Not MT4, MT5.
Marcos, do you think it's better if I just flip my camera on TikTok and just show my face and that's it?
If you can find an angle where you show you trading while it's like also your computer and stuff, I think that'd be good. Maybe like back here. You see my hand? That'd be fire.
A lot of work, man.
Yeah, that'd be dope.
Damn, that is a lot of work. You know what? Fuck TikTok.
And show my face too, like this, like. What's going on?
You won't show your face, but you can turn around and look at it.
I have a good
you can put it to the
idea.
side, and you can just like turn your head and look at it, because I don't know.
So let's see. TikTok.
How did news come out, guys? Anything? ADP non-farm employment change was good news.
So,
Gold. Time to melt gold.
Yeah, that's confirming the gold bias still. Got that 8:30 news coming. Forecasted to be good news.
How did ADP come out?
ADP was good news. Very good news.
ADP was good news. So gold came down. So we have in about what 13 minutes. You have that's not the NFP. You have unemployment claims, and they're expecting good numbers to come out. They're expecting 400K, which is lower than their forecast or than they're expecting. So let's see. I get some sushi today, guys.
Okay, okay. I ate like a monster last night out.
Oh yeah, how was that?
It was good. It's good. That dude is crazy, man. He's so smart. Interesting to see like the flip side, like the direct opposite of what we do.
Yeah,
it's cool.
Guys, surround yourself around bosses, man. Guys, trust me. I saw this tweet the other day. I was seeing it around, but it hit me. It's like the people you surround yourself with is the average of you, which is true. Go hang out with, a degenerate for a week, and then go hang out with bosses for a week. You'll see a huge difference in your lifestyle, from maintenance to hygiene to like everything. Every small thing that you don't realize, it comes straight from the people you hang out with. So make sure you surround yourself around good people, man.
Preach.
Like, friends are friends, cool, but at the end of the day, man, friends only do so much for you. At some point, like, you're at some point you're gonna realize that what they're doing isn't what you kind of want to do, or what you want your life to be like, so that's why I surround myself around Andre a lot. The boss. He's literally a boss. I'm 21. Andre said yesterday I'm the most mature guy he's known in his life.
True, bro. It's crazy.
I'm 21.
It comes from life experience, though. It comes from, like what your goals are, what you're into. I can, even though Don's like 100 years younger than me, I can still learn from him.
That was funny.
100 years younger.
How do you feel about GJ, Don? Looking at the 15-minute, if it closes as is. Already broke the highs and respected the lows. He's not in the camera, is he?
Sorry, I'm just trying to fix. Fine. Talking about GJ breaking the lows.
15-minute broke the highs and it's bullish right now.
1 hour didn't break the lows in that 1 hour candle. That was a lower wick, I think. The team broke the highs. I think you need a closure. I think once you get a closure, I might attempt second buys here, because I'll be able to fake out back into the range, right? That was a fake out, and now we're breaking back into this area now. We should come up to fill this range and continue up with the ADM opening. So I'm looking to take a second position with my bias.
Okay.
Just no Chad, don't just give some great advice. Yeah, I mean, I learned pretty quick. Like, yo, Andre, I told you I know how to drive now. Like, I was I was driving my friend's car, and it was like natural. I was like, yo, this is the third time. I'm like, this is pretty easy, turning and shit.
I can't wait to come up to Toronto and put you in the X5M.
I'm trying to go. The moment you get the X5M to me, I'm gonna go 100. I'm going 100.
Don do launch control. Don's gonna do launch control.
Put it on sport mode, bro.
Hey, yo, Sport Plus, bro. No
traction
control,
Sport.
All you.
I'm gonna put trades called for people who got trades called. I'll delete this, Ashley. Remove that. Trades taken 18. Go there. Go to text. Trades called. Arcade 18. Trades called. There you go. I mean, it's crazy to believe. Some of you guys have been here since my first ever setup. It started with a MacBook, and then we had a PC, and then we got a better PC. Next setup is gonna be a nice looking penthouse.
Okay, okay.
We gotta start somewhere. I had a friend yesterday was talking to me about like he needs to start FX with me. One of my closest friends, and he gave up. Got Andre flexing his view. Look at that, nice ass view. Okay, okay. I can see Canada from there. Okay. Yeah, I had a friend yesterday that like he started FX with me like 3 years ago. He stopped because I don't know, he got lazy or something. And yesterday he was like, "Yo, Don, I'm trying to get into FX again." And I'm like, man, if you just stuck around for the past 3 years, could have been Lambo Bros. Guys, go back in time and check like all the people that you've met when you first started trading and see where they are. They're at now. See if they're still trading or see if they, you know, they switched their what do you call it? Entrepreneur role? Bro, right? I know a lot of people that start with me that aren't like, they stopped trading midway because they just gave up.
Yeah, I know so many people that quit.
Yeah, and they come back to like, "Oh, you're still trading?" Yeah, I'm still trading. You know?
Yeah, but see, I started 3 years ago, so I know a lot of guys that quit.
Yeah.
Like if you don't have grit in trading, like you're not gonna last. Like you gotta have like the overall grit to like push through the losing phase, the break-even phase, the managing the winning phase. Like it's all comes down to grit, how long you're willing to put in the time.
Yeah. It's like how bad do you want it, you know? Like not just even for the money, like how I guess like how much do you actually love trading compared to how much do you actually love money? You gotta find a ratio between the two. Your ratio for trading has to be a lot higher than the money. I say, man, 3 to 1. 3 for the trading, 1 for the money. That's how you get a good return in FX. Not just, you know, fully for the money. I don't know why around me when people. Pardon?
The money will come anyway, right? It's just a byproduct of the trade.
Yeah, it'll come naturally. I hear a different stream in the background.
I think it's 100%. You gotta like the trading. Money's a pocket.
Yeah.
It will come if you like trading. It will come naturally because yeah, you'll take good trades.
Yeah, I feel like if people give a bachelor's 4 years, then I can definitely give trading 4 years.
The only thing though is a bachelor is guaranteed once you actually complete it, like the 4 years. Trading is not really guaranteed, hence why people say it's risky, but it doesn't mean it's not possible. I think if you were to put the same amount of hours in work,
you have no one sorry,
they're gone.
No, I was saying trading, you have no one keeping you accountable, right? It's just you and yourself. So
yeah.
Whereas uni, you have a deadline for assignments, this and that.
I feel like with trading, a lot of people come into it thinking they're gonna make a lot of money at first, and then when it doesn't happen as fast as they thought it would, that's why they end up quitting. Like, cause they come in through like IG and everything like that, and they see like all these gains, and then yeah. But it's a life thing, to be honest.
Long-term game. Well, same time, got a few friends who started at the same time now, and now they are nowhere. Shamelessly, and now they're asking for advice. I'm like, guys, start together. Now I'm back. I'm winning. You want to come back? Yeah. People do that. A lot of people do that. I mean, it's fine. Like, I think I've seen like almost like every situation, scenario in trading. Like I've seen people who've came back, they made money again. Some people took a break. Some people just stopped trading forever. Some people came back after a year and started picking it up again. It happens. I mean, long-term game, but yeah, I really love it, man.
Not that we're anywhere close to it, but if we break the weekly lows on gold, I really think it's gonna like push down to like 1850 or even, I mean, like once we break the weekly lows on gold, like it's just clean coming all the way down.
Yeah, Andrew, you know how we talk about the forward candle, and you know how the last like 10 minutes of forward candle usually pushes up?
Yeah.
Treat this daily candle, weekly candle, like the forward candle, because tomorrow's NFP at any given point. But I think NFP is expecting good numbers though, so this actually might drop. Yeah,
it can go either way, like you just said. Like, having both bias is important, but I could just see us breaking the weekly low and then really coming down.
I mean, you're looking at 1881 today. You have an 80 pip range going down here today. Yeah, I'm looking for sells here. Maybe if you break below here, that's a pretty good sell coming down to fill this range. It'll make perfect sense. Isn't that crazy to believe though? Like, you go in the daytime frame, you see that, okay, we break the weekly low, we have clean traffic. Well, not clean traffic, you have well, technically clean traffic until this level of support right here. That's your next nearest support. You go on a 1 hour time frame and you notice that once you break below that support in a 1 hour time frame, you have clean traffic driving down towards the 1881 level as well. It just matches up perfectly. So pretty clean. Yeah, I think my job today is to find a better angle for TikTok, man.
My runners would have been so juicy. Oh, God.
Can't think like that. You can't think like that.
What did the fact say?
I said my runners would have been so juicy. Man.
Oh, woulda, shoulda, coulda. Woulda, shoulda, coulda.
I ain't pray for these baguettes, I pray for better days.
Oh man, yeah, I mean, it's tough, but ooh, this kind of drove down towards the 1886 mark. I don't know, people are going to make 100K the first 6 months. Also, guys, another thing, when people come into FX, not all of them are gonna start with nothing. Like, I'll say like 50% of people come in FX, like, as you know, around my age, and you know, they're expected to make a lot of gains, and because they don't have, you know, their life hasn't progressed to a point where, you know, they are financially free yet. But some people are financially free and they actually start FX later. Some people have full-time jobs, some people have full-time careers already, and they start FX as a hobby. I feel like that route is a lot easier, just because like the number one reason why people lose money in the first place is because they're chasing the bag, chasing money. Whereas if you already have an established job and a career, you come into the game, you're not really chasing anything. You're just gonna take everything kind of slow and you're gonna move on pretty well. So it's another thing. Not everyone's like, you know, starting off with nothing in FX. I know people who start with a 25K account. Gold's melting? Yeah. Yeah, you looking for your stubs below there, man?
Now there's no top wick on this 15 and 30 minute candle, just because news got released, and I don't know if you saw it or not, but unemployment rates were better than they had forecasted. They're 385, they forecasted 400,000. So interesting to see what gold's going to do here, how far down it's going to push.
I think we may push down. Let's see. Yeah, good numbers came out. Ooh. I mean, looks like 1880. That's our target for a day. 1880?
Yeah.
Or 900?
1880. That's so crazy. Price was at like 1905, like
this morning?
Monday, Tuesday?
This morning?
Yeah, this morning. Like we closed bullish yesterday.
Yeah, we broke the day lows. The moment that happened, like, oh, we're done. We're looking for sells.
Now, this is the toughest thing, I think, is finding an entry that fits your style of trading. Like, we obviously know gold is bearish now and it's moving, but like, where are you going to find an entry that fits to your plan, that doesn't like go against it and maybe set up bad habits in the future?
Bad habits versus good habits, guys. Favorite key. You don't want to take a trade, a impulsive trade that you normally would never take and win on it, because it's gonna lead you to thinking it's okay to take those trades. And long term, it's not. It'll mess you up in the future. Someone sent a chart. My bad for not checking charts. I've been talking a lot today. Waiting for a 1 hour closure. Wait for a bond wick and then the flip. A closure, you mean? Yeah, wait for 1 hour closure. Yeah, on GJ. Damn, GJ is struggling hard here. I don't really like it. I think it's safe to say we can move our resistance up here. I'll leave it for now. I'll leave it. Once there's 1 hour closes here. We'll just push in. Can't really get entries in it anywhere though. Unless you're a 5-minute entry type of person. Push a little range here. On a 5-minute little top wick for price to drive down for 40 pips.
Ugh, that doesn't feel good.
That does not feel good at all.
That does not feel good. I mean, it's an aggro day now. Maybe if we had a closure below 1886.13, you had some type of top wick, and then you used your top wick as stops, but I'm not doing that. I'm gonna wait. I got a scenario for you, Don. This man's getting the TikTok camera right.
If you guys don't have POV of what I see in the morning, hop on the TikTok. I think I'll POV of my setup. If you have a job, FX is stress-free, man. If you have the good thing about having a job and trading FX when you're starting off is that you have some type of like cushion, you know, like you don't gotta rely on FX. It's not good to rely on FX. It's not good to quit your job because you have a idea that you're gonna make thousands in FX when you haven't made any thousands yet. Right? You're hoping at that point. The gambling. Wait until you see sustainable gains every month for a set amount of months, you know, for maybe 6-7 months. You say you're making more than your initial income at work, and then maybe quit the job. Right? Make sure you have enough to pay bills every month. But don't just quit and hope for the best. I'm praying for baguettes. I pray for better days. Did the 5-minute close below? Oh, it did close below. No top wicking at 5. Right away. Bro, I'm running out of desk space. I gotta put my drinks on the floor.
How big is your desk?
Like I have like I don't know. I
Inch-wise.
think 40. Let's see. This is my desk. So I think it was 40 something by 20 something. This I can load up. Products. I adjustable desk. Put it here. 28 by 48. It would be fine if I didn't have much equipment, but I have like my keyboard, my iPad, my mixer. Like I don't have much.
I got a 70 by 30, and mine's like completely full with everything.
Yeah, I mean you have a mount too, so it saves up space, but still like it's because I have a low sense on my mouse too, so my whole arm moves when I like do stuff. Not just like my wrist. I need a lot of mouse space. Yeah.
Anyways, I have to go, guys. So have a nice day. Thank you, Don.
Take it easy, Didi. Have a great day. Good trades today, man.
All right, bro.
Yeah. Peace, guys.
Don't overtrade.
Oh, I won't.
You wait for a retest as part of entry? Not all the time. No. I used to. Not really anymore, because there's not always gonna be a retest. Right? There's not always gonna be a retest. The whole idea of like the 80% of the time, the whole idea of my trade would just be like, let's say for example we close above a range and then we close like this. There's not always be that retest. Like sometimes there can be a wick that could be the potential retest. But then again, like even if we were to retest, I wouldn't enter off the retest. I would enter as we flip bullish again after forming a lower wick to continue up. Because the retest can go anywhere. The retest can just go back in the range for all we know. That's why I don't really like the idea of retest. We have no trolls today. I'm surprised. What are you doing here? Marcus, you look bored, man.
I was just editing a TikTok for like 15 minutes.
Oh, can we get a little preview?
It's already posted.
Oh shoot, man, I'm on live. I can't leave my live.
That browser TikTok's trash, but I have the app on my laptop. I don't think it's very good though.
I have the app too. Oh, the browser on you mean
the browser app?
Yeah,
it's like a weird app. It's like an old head app, I think.
What's this music that's playing? Sorry guys. I'm sorry.
Yo, I'm not a retest guy either, but the retest on GJ Daily is beautiful though.
Which one? To go down?
No, see how like the onion play?
Yes.
Oh
what
yeah,
you mean?
yeah.
Yes. Remember yesterday when I was looking for buys yesterday, even though we were bearish before we closed off of that weekly retest right there. We rejected that level. Started to push up a little bit. I'm like, previous daily kind of barely had a lower wick. We're bullish. Could continue up today. Honestly, if this is a 15-minute time frame, I would have entered a buy right here. Entered a buy right here. My stop loss would have been the previous kind of low or TP up here. This is a 15-minute time frame. It's a clean trade. Very, 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 very clean.
Tyler, did you get in on GJ earlier?
Yeah, I did.
Did you get out at like -1 or 2 pips, break even?
Got it around -5 pips just because I was watching those 5-minute lows, and by the time I was able to close, it just dropped a little bit further than I wanted, but still lower than my initial risk, so I'll take it.
Nice, nice.
I'm gonna flip this camera. I don't like the way it looks. What do you guys want? A face cam? Do a face cam. Man, I wish I can like have like 2 cams on this TikTok or something. Don't misuse for horrible people. You can't put a flower in a and call it a vase. True. True. We have about 30 seconds here for closure on gold here. The last 15 of the hourly candle as well, and also the last 15 of the 4-hour candle. So be very careful. Expect a pullback for this new 4-hour candle to close, because if you look at a 4-hour time frame, as long as you close below this support here, you should be good to continue down towards the next level support, which is going to be somewhere around here, 1878, 1880 is the target, right? So it looks like we're going to close below, high probability, which means the next candle should drive down like this, which means you can anticipate more gold sales coming down to fill the range with the NYSE open in about an hour or about 4 or 5 minutes. So stay tuned. This might be a late stream today, maybe. I don't gotta work out till later, around her.
Yeah, same. My 10:30 client canceled, so I'm just chilling.
What time's your next client after? Like 1?
I had you on the books for noon, so I don't think my next client after that is at like 2 or something.
Yeah,
I gotta check. So I'm chilling. No rush.
Cool. Kick ass. That's so.
I ain't pray for these baguettes, I pray for better days.
You still have the Warzone incoming.
I gotta add it. I didn't add that one. I couldn't find one. Incoming cruise missile sound effect. Warzone sound. It's loud as shit.
Sorry, fellas. Passcode sent.
This is Watchtower. Passcode accepted. Beginning.
Imagine we have this whole scene just for a ban. Go on Twitch. Let's see how many people are streaming right now. Damn. Yeah. A lot of people. I think there's a category for trading too. Who is trading FX though? No one, everyone's just trading crypto on here. Code Finance is up. Yeah. Is there like a trading thing? Trading. Stocks. Stocks and bonds. On Forex. There should be a Forex category. Damn, no one's streaming.
What are you looking for?
I'm on Twitch just looking to see like what it was like over there.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna try it tonight since I'm gonna go live on TikTok anyway. But I think you just do day trader.
Oh, you're gonna stream on tonight?
I think.
Yeah.
It's funny, I asked TikTok and no one said YouTube. But you asked Instagram and everyone said YouTube. That just kind of shows you the different like communities, you know what I mean?
Yeah. That's I don't know, like 81% YouTube, 90% Twitch.
But you got to think everyone on your Instagram is from your live
YouTube.
streams on YouTube or from, you know, the already existing community that you have.
You take one step back for 2 steps forward, I guess.
My issue with YouTube is there's zero discovery. I guarantee no one's found your stream just from like being on Twitch. I mean, being on YouTube and being like, ooh, a FOREX stream.
Yeah.
But like on Twitch, you get like the trickle down and stuff like that. Like if you were below the stock guy, for example, and he gets off, that's like the trickle down. That's what's blown people up on Twitch in the past.
Marcos, I agree with what you're saying. The only thing I think is a little different is like I found Don through YouTube. I'm sure a lot of other people found Don through YouTube, through maybe other streams or something like that. That's how I would have never have found him in some other capacity.
Yeah, but you got to look at the quality of audience and the audience that Don actually wants to attract.
Yeah.
So you are, me and you, diamonds in the rough. Like, I know we're all gonna kiss after this, but like,
pause.
You're talking about 2 out of thousands of people that have come through the stream.
Pause. You gotta pause that.
Oh, yeah.
4K. Play, clip it. Clip it, guys. Clip it.
Hey, you gotta. I got an audio. You should get the Daddy Chill one. Have you seen?
Yeah, that's a funny one. That's nice. Yeah.
What the hell was that?
No, what the hell is even that?
What the hell was even that?
Either do that or do Daddy Chill.
I'll tell you what.
Wait a minute.
Wrong one. Fuck, I ruined it.
But that wait a minute is pretty funny.
Yeah, wait a minute. It's kind of
Who are you? Are you?
I will say Twitch is suitable because it's made for gaming half nigga women. I mean, there's people out like bikini stuff streams there, like beach streams and shit.
I'll probably be in just chatting, honestly.
Don gotta put on a bikini now and trade.
I'll do a hot tub. I'll do a hot tub stream, bro.
Hot tub stream.
Down for a hot tub stream. No, but yeah, right now it is.
The stock guy yesterday had 102,000 views.
Live?
Just yesterday on a live.
What happened?
Concurrent, you mean? I mean, that's not
concurrent. Total. It was his biggest stream yesterday, over 100K views.
Damn.
I mean, how do you think he blew up and like that? Because you know what I mean? It's the biggest streamer on Twitch for day trading.
But
Dope.
I was gonna say, like, yeah, right now, I mean, it might just be for gaming, or it was, but I think Twitch is starting to open up to a lot more doors for other streamers as well. Like, people have just chatting streams all the time.
It's early, man. It's just this year is the
think
first
about
year
TikTok.
where just chatting's big.
Think about TikTok and earlier on when everyone's like, oh, TikTok's just for dancing, people dancing around, and people just like literally just people making dances and stuff. But now it's like everything. People have their business there. People grew their business there. I think for Twitch, I think it's because like TikTok had I think had something that no other platform had, which is the algorithm and the For You page, and they did a really good job with that. Same with Twitch. Twitch has that as well. YouTube doesn't have that. YouTube just has videos. My YouTube view subscribers, like I'll stream on Twitch and I'll post the clips on YouTube. I'll post like the 4 or 5 minute clips of me explaining whatever. Here's how Don draws point resistance. Don makes XXX in this trade here. Don's lost this on this trade here. Like those are the clips I'll post on YouTube, and the whole stream would be on Twitch.
Busy as fuck.
I feel like that's the wave. I feel like that's really the wave. And Twitch has like a bunch of emotes, a bunch of shit. I've always wanted to be on Twitch.
How do you feel about this? I know it's a lot. I know the 4 hours is about to close, but 15-minute on GJ about to close above resistance. Obviously, we need to wait for that 4 hour because that bottom wick could probably just take you out.
I think as long as it closes above here in the hourly, which is the 4 hour closure as well, it should be good.
Yeah.
For bias for sure. Yeah, wait for a new 4 hour wick. This is accurate. Yeah, going like, for example, going to YouTube here. Like obviously at first it'll suck. I'll lose like probably half my viewers. I'll probably get like 20 viewers for stream, I'm pretty sure. But you know, why is this guy naked on stream? This guy Aiden Ross.
You gotta go to Aiden live.
So like yeah. Oh yeah, Aiden live. He streams on Twitch and he posts whatever here from his Twitch streams. Like
real quick. Kitchen me, it's me.
I think that's the wave, man. Also it's a little easier too because I'm gonna have a lot more videos, and my YouTube page would be like a course, like a free course, pretty much, like me explaining everything there, thumbnails, videos, like reaction shit, like everything's gonna be on YouTube.
That's dope.
I mean, no other FX streamer has that. I don't think so. Why not? Right? Why not stream on both? Because I can stream on both to start off. Like I stream on both like today, tomorrow. But once I get that Twitch partner, I can't because I'm a Twitch partner now. Twitch won't allow me to do that. I'll be breaking like. Wait, am I being allowed to stream on Twitch if I'm getting paid on YouTube? I am. Yeah, I am. I'm pretty sure I am. But once I become a Twitch partner, I think once I get like 100 subs or followers, something like that, 50 followers, I can't anymore.
Yeah, I don't know how the Twitch partnership works, but I know that you can't stream on both if you're partnered.
That's when I'll make the full switch, I think.
But like the support you get as a partner, like you've been on YouTube for all this time and you're not a partner. There's no new features, like, but Twitch has like all these good features. You know, you have everything on Twitch. It's made for streaming. It's like, you know,
it's literally the platform. Like, come on.
Not to mention, like, that's kind of your community anyway. Like, you're a gamer. Like, you're 21. Like, you're not one of these old heads. Like Andre.
Oh, shit.
He's not here. 5 minutes left for this 4 hour.
Go from our top on Twitch. Who here actually uses Twitch, though? If you don't, you are gonna use it soon. Same with Discord. You haven't used Discord yet, you're gonna use Discord in the next coming years. I guarantee it. Discord is literally the next app up.
It's like if you didn't use TikTok last year, like
you're gonna use, you're gonna use it for sure. If you didn't use Instagram 5 years ago, you're using Instagram now for sure. There's a bunch of bots on Instagram now.
Hey Don, I have a question. So this move that happened in London right here, was that considered like a double fakie? Like I remember from a while back, it was like if that move happens, don't trade it. It happened around like the 30-minute time frame. Like it happened right here.
Nah,
like,
not really. Just because like the day time frame broke the lows.
Yeah.
At the area, and also we closed below our support.
Yeah, cause like in Asian session, I was took a spell on it and it played out, but I was trying to take another position in London, but I saw like I remember from a while back, it's like if this move happens, like the double fakie thing, don't take trades in it. So I just like left it, but then like it played out like later on, but that's not considered one, right?
Where is it exactly?
Oh, right here, this area.
That was London, right?
Yeah, that was London.
Yeah, again, I think
let me clear it.
I think this is just like a range form. I'm gonna consider it a double fake. I think this is an overall range, and then as the day time frame broke the lows, breaking structure indicate that we're gonna push down for a day. So I think all you need was a closure below what you got, and then price came down obviously after.
More break that down.
What up, Carlo? What's up, man? Car Daggy. How many pips does this thing push down today? 100 pips?
100,000.
100 pips. past 30-minute candles.
Did you catch any of it?
No. We broke it down though. 1880 was the target for the day. You can stream gaming and stream content. Yeah, I probably just like I want to do morning gaming though. I just want to have like just chatting streams, like there's stuff that I want to do. I feel like I'm just like putting a box on YouTube of just being a forex trader, and I feel like I feel like I could just entertain like a crowd. Our community, you know, bring good vibes. Andre, how's your oatmeal, man? Ready? 2 packs, 5 packs of almonds, 1 pack of strawberries, 2 packs of bananas, 4 scoops of protein shake, and 2 eggs. His oatmeal.
Cali king.
Got good news for you, Don.
Yes.
I've already gained 50 followers on TikTok.
Who?
You.
On what?
Just now, in the past couple hours.
How'd you check that?
By knowing what your followers were an hour ago.
Oh wait, this hour alone or just stream alone?
This stream alone, like you've gained over 50 followers.
That's pretty good.
You were about late 1.3, and now you're at mid 1.4, so probably like closer to 60, 70.
I gotta find a way to do it, man. I'm thinking just putting my phone in a different room with a different iPad and showing the YouTube stream on the iPad so they can hear every single audio, the music, you guys, the sound effects, you know.
Your social blade popping, Don.
I used to stream on Twitch for fun with the mask. I had like 300 viewers. It was a bit scary. And I'm not that nervous anymore when I stream. I got more comfortable this year.
4-hour closed doji on GJ.
Yeah. So yeah, it's pretty choppy. Look at the last time I closed doji at this resistance here, respecting this area. It came down. I mean, I'm staying out of GJ. Gold, however, looks pretty clean. No bottom wick on a 4-hour. Never mind. Wow, this day is chalked, guys. Damn, that is chalked.
Done for the day.
You're a JPY anywhere? Anyone, guys? You're a JPY?
What's NAS 100 up to?
NAS 100?
Let's check out Bitcoin real quick.
Yeah, let's check Bitcoin real quick. All right, TikTok. I check out Bitcoin. Time to shine. Oh wow, look at that drop on gold there. Looking back at this, I think the only entry I would have got on gold was maybe here. That was it. I would have probably got out around here. 20 pips. Call it a day. This after is irrelevant. Or would have been irrelevant. New 4 account create a top wick. Flipping bearish here. We have tapped our target, guys, at 1880 today. Those.
Andre, what are you thinking about on gold? Big fat nada with that 4-hour or no? I know you're chewing. My bad. You looking at Bitcoin?
Yeah, it's me look at Bitcoin. I'm looking at Bitcoin.
Respect.
I think Bitcoin is just in this 1 hour range here. Girls are asking. We're just in this range here, and I think I mean, this is pretty clean. There's a lot of volume. If this is a gold or GJ, I'll take a position once we close above. But if we were to continue up, if we were to break that resistance, we have a high chance of continuing up towards the 40,000 mark today. So definitely not bad at all.
It does look clean.
Yeah, closure above would be ideal. This is pretty good. That's the onion. That's everything you have there for Bitcoin to go up. 4-hour wick fill. Or yeah, 4-hour wick fill.
Traders domain has BTC, right?
Daily with foot? Yeah, it does.
Why not?
GJ closed. Yeah, see, look at that, look at that, look at that. We talked about how this candle closed doji here at that resistance. Look left. The last time it closed doji at that resistance as well. We came on our way down towards the support here. So I believe with us rejecting here, we have a high chance to come down towards that 155 390 mark here. Oh.
Trash. 4 hours super bearish, daily super bullish. It's trash. Ugh.
Maybe I should go restart my chart here. Support, resistance. This is the range. We close below. We should come down towards this support right here. I want to say, yeah, not too bad. What's your name on Twitch? I don't have a Twitch account yet. I'll make one. 80 CAD. I'll check up here. Time starts securing profits on gold. Yeah. Or kind of had no bottom wick there. No range to continue down there. We closed right at that support. I took one position today so far, and that was GG bias for -2 pip loss. We managed this pretty well because if you look at it, we would have got stopped out for, I think original stop loss was around 6-7 pips. So instead we closed around break even pretty much, I want to say. You post your Insta stories on TikTok? No. Like my profits for a day and stuff? No. I haven't. Oh, what up, guys? People are here. 1 hour WAP play on GJ coming down. I didn't train for the day. Jack Fung, probably not. I gotta see. I gotta see. I mean, I kind of wanted GJ buys, but obviously with the candle closing, rejecting that resistance, closing not above that range in the 4-hour time frame, it was a bit chalked here. So let's see. Doesn't look as clean as it did yesterday though. Yesterday looked clean after 9 AM. Today it doesn't look as clean. Especially gold too. Gold moves so much already, and then 4 has no bottom wick. So not much you can really do. It was a pretty good stream today though. Pretty good vibes. Hey Don, how come you didn't take sells on the breakers you just support? Because my bias for a day was bullish and I try to stick to one bias for a day. I don't really like the idea of having, you know, for example, buys above here and sells below here in my chart and just waiting for ISI to break out, because I feel like that's just, there's no like discipline or no type of bias you're really sticking to. You're just taking whatever happens in the day. I used to do that. I don't anymore. That's why I avoid fake outs now by not doing that. So because this can be a fake out. I think sells for me would probably be below, I want to say below here at 156, 155, 356. I see that fake outs usually happen within the first range. So for example, this is range 1, range 2. if we were to break below here, let me move this down a little bit. For example, let me restart this. So this is range 1, right? Range 2 would be here. I see fake outs usually happen when we're going against the bias for a day, which is today the bias is bullish, but we are breaking below the range. What I usually tend to see is I usually tend to see price break back into the range like this and continue up for the rest of the day or for the rest of the session. But if we were to not break back into the range and we were to continue down towards this next support and break below here instead, I look for sales below here coming down because I understand that, okay, now we're actually breaking structure and it shouldn't be any fake outs, or the probability of fake outs happening is a lot less now that we're breaking range 2. You guys have seen it, days where we've avoided a bunch of fake outs on the stream. It's because of this. Take it to 1 bias unless it's a range 2 breakout. Yeah, like I'm not saying G's not continue down. I'm saying it looks like it's gonna continue down here, but the probability of fake outs happening is very high just because the bias is still bullish for a day. In this case. How did everyone in the chat do today for trading? Anyone take gold positions or juju positions there? This was a steady day. Wasn't too bad. There's volume on gold for sure. 92% GJ, me too. What was that, 1990? Nice. 1990? Ooh, nice. Got like what, 30 pips in that trade? Below 1893. One thing we did a good job today of was gold though. We broke down gold pretty much to the T, coming down as we broke the day lows. Yesterday was bullish, right? But the moment we broke these lows here during the New York session this morning, I'm like, okay, yeah, we're coming down towards 1880. We're literally breaking below the support for a starter play going down the other way. Right. But it made a lot of sense. I believe if you close below this range here, you might get sells coming down towards the next support, which is going to be somewhere right here at 1875. 50 pip range going down. Sells on gold, nice. They didn't want to take buys on gold though. Anybody take buys on gold today?
Were there buys?
I don't know. I think some people took buys though.
I was about to say you're down horrendous if you took buys today.
Yeah. It was very important to understand the trend.
I don't know how people see buys in this. It's just like straight red. Where do you see a green candle?
I think buys were, if you took buys during the Asian session last night, that would be okay because we were technically bullish last night. But as you broke the day lows this morning, it's very important to understand the ranges that were to come after we broke that low. But let's see, we're driving down towards 1874 here. Again, there's nowhere I can really enter. Maybe like the next entry could be if we were to close below the range here, something like this, and take sells coming down. But we need to retrace them here for this candle. We have like 2 minutes left. This is also the first 15-minute candle of the 4-hour candle, so you can now call this high here on a 15, high of the 4-hour candle as well for price to continue down. Buys are about to happen after this last hour candle probably. On what pair? GJ or gold?
Gold is driving. Yeah,
I don't see gold buying up for a day. If anything, we might retrace, but that can just be a top wick being created for a day time frame for tomorrow to continue down with NFP. They're expecting bad numbers, so if we actually like Andre said earlier, if we actually come down to break these lows during the weekly time frame, then we have a high chance of driving down towards the 1838 mark.
Andre, I remember Andre said he was like, oh, Andre was like, it's kind of far away, and now it's like instantly coming. I was like,
Yeah.
The gold genie.
The gold genie, dog.
It's like 40 pips away. So if that happens, then tomorrow might be a decent day tomorrow. And feed tomorrow. Who's trading tomorrow?
Everybody.
Yeah, obviously your NFP.
Dang.
They're expecting good numbers on the dollar, which makes gold high chance of popping down.
What the hell?
DJ might be a fake out here. Oh, let's see. Yeah.
How low will gold go?
Gold was wick filling, which I don't think there's any wick filling here. I think all the prices did today was it had a range last night, and it finally broke out. It broke this last night's low because this bullish candle indicated that it created support here. It closed bullish, but the moment we broke that low, it indicates that we are now breaking below support. Next level of support is gonna be down here. She tapped. I don't see any wick filling there, but yeah, there's really no wick filling here. I don't really see anything. Gold sells 1881 to 1880. Nice. That's like 10 pips, right? If you guys didn't make anything today, just understand that
I ain't pray for these baguettes, I pray for better days.
there's always better days. Always better days. But the last thing you want to do today is get caught in these GJ fake out. That's what happened to you, charts.
Or fake outs.
I'm done though today. Took 2 gold because I entered too early. Closed GJ sells at the break support because I didn't want to take another L. Got a few pips though, still happy. Yeah, it's a pretty good day. Yeah, if GJ pops back to the range here, buys aren't bad at all. If GJ were the 15-minute were close back into the range, wouldn't be bad. We had news at 10 a.m., didn't we? Not really. Oh, major. Yo, Jimmy, your Atlanta Hawks
Bruh,
beat the
I
Knicks.
cried so much last night. That felt so good, dog. But this is one part where I kind of got scared, and then they went up 20. I'm like, yes.
Yo, don't the LeBron and Suns play today?
Yeah.
I said LeBron and
You
Suns.
said LeBron.
Doesn't
The
LeBron and
Lakers,
Suns, not the Lakers. LeBron and the Suns play today.
Lakers and Suns, yeah. That's a really good game.
My bad.
I just heard myself say LeBron. LeBron James.
I opened TikTok and you were right in my face.
3 viewers. Hold on.
Did Andre leave?
I think he left.
I don't see Andre.
These remaining next 40 plus minutes might be crucial for gold. Oh, we closed below this range. I didn't see this. This is what I was looking for earlier. We should be coming down for the rest of the range here. Topic being created here. The only thing I'm skeptical about is just that no bottom wick on that forward candle right there on the previous forward candle. So at any given point, we can just drive back up into the range. Real estate price wants to come down to fill this wick here. Stops are 50 pips though. 50 pips. Massive. Can't really enter anywhere. Pop smoke on the beat. Christian Dior.
Who you think gonna win the Suns versus Lakers series?
I want LeBron to win, but if he doesn't, then how old is he next year, man? 37? 38?
I think so. Yeah, I think so.
Damn, man.
Probably older 30s.
I don't know, man. I feel like it's not that his legacy depends on this year, but I think it'll be very cool to have a championship this year for him. Like, he'll be like, he's already in the talks for the greatest of all times, but he'll be in the talks again this year. Like, I don't know, man. They might even call him the GOAT, greatest of all time, if he wins the championship this year.
Yeah.
Without Anthony Davis, like, even about LeBron, like, he always tries to make things like very dramatic. So like, I feel like he's doing this on purpose. 80.
Like he lets it get close.
Yeah, 80 get injured. I got clutches. I gotta continue my legacy. Like that 3-point shot, with the Warriors when he saw what 3 rims. Like, come on, bro. I feel like he's so good. He just does this shit on purpose.
Like he lets you go up 2 in the series and come back and fucking ends it.
One man can carry the whole team. LeBron 2018 Cleveland carried the whole entire team. Literally the whole entire team. Kevin Love, yeah.
I feel so bad for Damian Lillard the other night.
He's going to Boston, baby.
No.
Yes, sir.
Toronto, baby. Toronto Raptors, baby.
Cap. No one wants to go there.
Come to Atlanta, please.
Look at Kawhi Leonard. Kawhi Leonard left Toronto, and now he's just
He's going to Miami next.
Kawhi? Nah,
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure he's staying Clippers.
No, I heard he's going to Miami.
Damian Lillard's what? He's 30. It's not that old.
Right. Damian Lillard, please come to Atlanta. We need more shooters. Anyone.
He's not going to Atlanta. No one wants to go there.
Yo, is it me? Or I have a feeling that today's LeBron game, you know how LeBron has legendary games, like for example, game 7 or game 6 with the Miami Heat with Ray Allen shot. It's gonna be one of those games tonight. Like for example, game 7 block on Iguodala. Like it's gonna be one of those moments today.
It's a game time decision on Anthony Davis.
I mean, they gotta play him. They cannot play.
No, they
like,
can't. They can't play him, dog. He's too injured.
You don't know that, bro. You Anthony Davis is growing.
He can play. he can play through it. Remember when KD played with half of Achilles against the Raptors? They came back.
Bro, Davis is way tougher than KD. What you mean? KD's a cupcake.
He no cupcake.
Bro, he's a cupcake. Super team cupcake. Right. That's a super team cupcake. That guy's got 0 rings in my book.
It's big league. I hope the Trailblazers come back today. Please, game 7 is bitch.
Bro, we need the Lakers to win today so bad.
I don't care about the Lakers.
I cannot have Brooklyn Nets winning the championship. Be sick.
About the Trailblazers.
Trailblazers are that team that just they'll win one series every other playoff and then they'll just lose from there.
Jokic's been playing his ass off. I'm not even gonna hold you. Well deserved.
Someone said 80 is made out of pretzels.
Everyone got their money on Portland tonight. Everyone got their money on Lakers tonight. Sheesh. That spread though. Movement. Over under 227. Shit. 207.
Why is this the longest awkward silence in streaming history?
This music, lol.
He's vibing.
LeBron 2018 Cleveland was the best LeBron I've ever seen.
I think Miami
That's
Brown.
true. Nah, I think Cleveland was the best LeBron. Like especially when he carried that team. Like that was like he dropped 50 points in game 1 versus the Warriors, and they still lost because of J.R. Smith. That's 3 All-Stars.
You was watching the Clippers game yesterday? How this man Rajon Rondo
No, I
reacted
was in
to
bed.
Kawhi?
I was in bed.
Yeah. So Kawhi missed his like late game free throw, and the face that this man Rondo made had me so dead.
Goldfield at Wick coming down towards 1875. I forgot I'm live on TikTok still. Alright guys, I'm gonna call it a day. It's 9:25er. I mean, not much I'm looking forward to today. Just kind of chilling here. Realistic price is coming down towards the support here, towards the 1874 mark. Our target for a day got tapped for gold at 1880 already this morning. GJ looks like he wants to drive down here as well. I'm not looking for GJ sells, so gonna call it a day. If anything, it might be a late move, 10:30 or something. But I'm gonna call it a day on stream, guys. So take it easy. Catch you guys tomorrow. Thanks, Moms, for taking care of the chat today. Thanks, admins. Thanks, Tyler. Have a great day. Don't overtrade, don't over leverage. And
have a nice one, guys.
Tomorrow's NFP day.
Have a nice one.
So make sure you guys are there tomorrow. Don't be late to it as well. 6:30 AM Eastern. Catch you guys there. Peace.
Peace.
And love.
Bye, guys.
Later.
I pray for these baguettes, I pray for better days.
Chat.